Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Pepe video update. And we already have this sideways movement action. Previously we saw a move up pump and this pump to the upside, and now you're still moving sideways. It does look like you're pretty much going to be doing some long and short squeeze as well. Take this stop loss in the future. So basically just come here, take that stop, go down, take this stop. This is just price action. Okay, price action. So let's talk about price action just a little bit. Now everything has a decomposer, if you want to say. So what I mean to say is, by decomposing something or translating something, the musician knows how to sing music, if that makes any sense, or a singer actually recognizes music, right? So the same way a singer recognizes music is the same way a trader can recognize the language of the charts. And what's the language of the charts? It's actually known as action price action movement, if you want to say. So how does the price moves? And remember this very, very carefully, because every single candle, one candle that you see, tells a whole story. Never underestimate a candle. One candle can give you the biggest signal of selling or buying. Now, for example, if we do end up going up here and I take these two candles, they're bearish engulfing candlesticks, and they mean that it's time to sell and it's time to go down, and you can put a stop loss right there. And right now, all these candles that were printing out, they were printing out to make a bear flag, which actually played out. And then you have these two candles now that are showing that this wick, you see, a candle that has a wick like this means that it's a wick game, and potentially this wick can be filled, and you might be looking at the prices taking this one out, and in the future coming down and taking everything out. What about if we combine all these different candles up together? Well, they're just moving sideways, and they actually mean that it's probably time for maybe a redistribution as well. So market has cycles, okay? Move up, distribution, move down, redistribution, and then go down, accumulation. So that's just a whole cycle. So that's what you can expect. If you're going to be moving sideways, this is more like a redistribution, and then you just continue to go down. For me personally, I do expect a price level here at 10,500, but probably is actually very, very likely. But it's not going to happen that, oh, you just come down and then you go down and then boom. It doesn't happen in a straight line. I wish trading was a straight line. It's more like, headache. It's just going to take stop losses, take some stops here and there, take some bumps, and then finally go down like this. So it's never going to be like a very straight road. It's always a curvy road all the way to the destination, okay? It comes with its own ditches and bumps as well. So right now, that's something I'm still looking forward to. That's the only price action. Let's look at this, price squeezes. For the long squeeze and the short squeeze, potentially you do have stop losses here, in my opinion. You do have stop losses down there as well, in my opinion. So it's time that we probably first take this one, because it doesn't make sense to go down and take this and then go up and then take this one. If you're looking to take this, then it means you're looking for even more further downside, and these guys are going to win, okay? People who have their stop losses here, then probably they're going to win. But it only makes sense because you had this one support, 1, 2, 3, 4. You haven't backtested. All you did is you broke down. Look how you broke down. You just broke down like that. So you need a retest, get rejected, get this stop loss out, and then you go down. So that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Last 2 days or 3 days. Yeah, actually last 2 days to close the private channel entry. Well, take an action, price action, whatever. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.